This section is talking about polynomials. So a polynomial function can be written in this form, and this is where the exponents are non-negative integers. And if it's written in descending order, which is where the highest power is first, then the highest power tells you the degree. The coefficient of this term is called the leading coefficient. That's something that's going to come up. And together this term is called the leading term. So the questions ask which of the following are polynomial functions. The first one is, because we have 2 and 4, so those are both non-negative integers. 2 is a little bit tricky. I want to separate this. And then if I reduce, this is x to the negative 1 minus 5x to the negative 3 if I write it in that form. And I have negative exponents here. So that would be a no. With 3, we have a radical, and that would be x to the 1/2 if I write that in its exponent form. And we're not supposed to have fractional exponents. So this would also be a no.